All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Taiwan, something new from Little Couples. Let's check it out. Oh, cool. Well, cool. They sent a couple of reusable shopping bags. Thank you. And a sheet with some info about their new product, which is this right here, which is their new Thai Tom Yum Noodle. It sounds really good. All the Tom Yum varieties that I've had that come out of Taiwan have been quite good. The problem I'm having this morning is where the sun is positioned. So if they can work on that, that'd be nice. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. The top 10 Taiwan is coming up pretty soon, and I definitely want to give this a try before that comes out. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and goodbye.